I'm going to burp my tepache, which I let the sugar water, pineapple rind set for 3 days. Then I strained it, put it in a bottle while it still had a pineapple-y taste. Now this has been in the bottle 2 days, so we're gonna find out. Slowly open it, and when I sense that it's going to explode all over, I'm going to clamp it shut really quick so the bubbles can settle and save the fermentation so it's bubbly like a soda. Oh, yeah, there you go. See all the bubbles? Now we're gonna let it settle, like this one, already settled. See if this one. Now we're settling. We're gonna let that settle and keep popping it slowly so that we can open it up and savor a nice big glass of tepache. That's bubbly.
You should close it.
There we go. Oh, it don't want to stop. There we go.
What happens if you don't burp it?
You'll be wearing it along with the counter and the floor and anybody else standing next to you if you don't properly burp your tepache. Now, how do I know that? Because I just mopped up a mess from the previous bottle. We're gonna cap that, put it in the fridge, and enjoy it. We're gonna do the same thing to this one because I can't wait. I want to get, well, that one had settled for a few more minutes.
Just close it.
I'm gonna close it. Save some of that. This one was smaller. Oh, pasta's done. Gotta go. Oh.